Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I've got Precious out. Precious is our KX-71 excavator, and I've been out here on the farm all day working on different things, just kind of moving stuff around and cleaning up. But I got about an hour left, and I wanted to do something that was a little bit fun. So I brought Precious over here to the corner, and I'm gonna try and clean this out a little bit. And what I'm trying to do, you'll see my parents' house in the background, and that's their bedroom window. And what I wanna do is clear this out so they have a little bit better view. We got this trail coming up here, and it's about 20 feet wide or so, but I just want to clean up around these pines while I got a few minutes today. So let's jump on the excavator and get some work done. Okay, I pulled a bunch more out from in between those pines there. Now I'm just going to compact it a little bit with the thumb on the excavator. So right when I found that the pin was coming out, I had to go get a new snap pin and put it in, and the camera died because it's too hot. It's June in Florida, it's 95 degrees, and it's not that bad at all under the canopy of that excavator, but out here in the sun, the camera just couldn't take it. But I've been doing a little more work. I cleared a little bit more around the big pile. I condensed the pile with the excavator thumb and also cleaned up around here a little bit and did a little bit of blading. I'm gonna do just a little bit more work, and then it's time to hit the road and go home. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave you with that. It's hot and I need to get on the road, but we got a lot done out here with Precious, our KX-71 excavator. As always, we appreciate you watching. If you would, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. But otherwise, that's all I've got. Take care. We'll see you on the next one.